Our first question: who loves to fly and collect nectar from flowers to make honey? Take a guess. It's the bee. This animal that reproduces by laying eggs has a queen bee that lays eggs. Female bees produce eggs that hatch into worker bees, male bees, and new queens. Next up, who works hard and lives in an organized colony? You know it. It's the ant. This animal that reproduces by laying eggs has a queen ant responsible for laying eggs. These eggs hatch into larvae, pupae, and eventually become worker ants. Let's move on to an animal commonly found on farms who gives us delicious eggs to eat every morning. Absolutely, it's the chicken. This animal that reproduces by laying eggs lays eggs, and these eggs hatch into cute little chicks. Now, let's talk about an insect that lives around us. Who do we often find in dark places and likes to hide? Yes, it's the cockroach. This animal that reproduces by laying eggs lays its eggs in a capsule called an ootheca. After hatching, the baby cockroach is called a nymph and will grow into an adult cockroach. Moving to larger creatures, who do we often see in swamps and rivers with tough scales? The answer is the crocodile. This animal that reproduces by laying eggs lays its eggs in a nest and protects them until they hatch. Female crocodiles are highly involved in protecting their offspring. Let's head into the water who lives on the shore and has a sturdy shell. Of course, it's the crab. This animal that reproduces by laying eggs hatches its eggs in water. After hatching, the baby crabs called zoea grow into young crabs. Lastly, who initially looks like a caterpillar transforms into a beautiful creature with colorful wings. You got it, it's the butterfly. This animal that reproduces by laying eggs lays its eggs on plants. After the eggs hatch, a caterpillar emerges and undergoes metamorphosis into a chrysalis, finally becoming a butterfly